welcome back. It's Christine again with the Artist Pod, and today we're going to be drawing a golden eagle eye. So let's get arting. Alright, so golden eagles have a little bit of yellow around their eyes before we get into the actual eye. It's you know, a lot of birds have that, where they have that circle of skin or a different color of feathers. Typically it's skin right around their eyes where the feathers sort of go away right there. So we're just going to start with that circular section. Golden eagle's eyes are brown or hazel. We are actually going to see about doing a hazelish color. So first I'm going to select a grayish green, and then we're going to add brown on top of that. They sometimes have flecks of red in them, so that might be interesting to take a look at as well and sort of experiment with how that would look. So as we fill in the eye, we're just going to fill in, you know, this whole section. But first we draw out the pupil. Now because the light source is coming from over here, this edge of the pupil would catch the light as it's kind of going into a recess in our eyes, whereas this side would have just a little bit of shadow as it's doing the opposite. You know, it's going into that recess, so this side catches that light, this side goes into shadow, and that's how you kind of create that illusion of a recess in space. You have something that's one edge that's catching the light in a way, while another, the opposite side of it's going in shadow. Likewise, when we do the eye flare, it's going to be on this side, the opposite side, that we have this bright section against the pupil. Alright, so now to create the hazel effect, we're going to choose a reddish brown. So red is green's complement, which means this will work nicely if we get the right kind of color going on. And then red, again, if we try to do the red flecks, it's the same thing. It's that complement, so it might create even more of a pop. Cool colors as well, like green is a cool color, likes to recede, whereas warm colors like to pop forward, so putting the warm color on top will help it in the long run. So when I'm going to do this, I'm going to do like these quick kind of squiggles up and down. And then as I come into the shaded part of the eye, I'm going to back that off. Still want it there, but not nearly as dark. And this is also going to simulate some of the muscles in our eyes, which is why I do it this way. I don't think I like the red I'm adding in, so we'll just leave it as that brown, and then we'll add the eye flare. Yeah. I think that works. Alright, so that is how you draw a golden eagle eye. I hope that was helpful. In the floating nether next to me, I have other art videos of tutorials that I have done, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much. Take care.